cleaning up part 2. So I finally got all the plates wrapped up in the box, wrapped up, ready to be taped up for the winter. And now I have to clean up the table. And I always half-ass it. That's a word. I do some and leave some, or I clean up just enough to get my video out. Do you guys do that? Hide stuff all over the place, under the table. I don't know, I want to say under the bed, but the bed is far. But I'm thinking that people do that. Put things under the bed just to get rid of them. So I still have loads of dishes stacked here on the server in the dining room. And that's where I'm gonna stack these glasses. I could put them in the glass case now, but I don't want too much to be in there. I have to clean out the cabinet as well. So yes, I do this frequently. I put them temporary someplace, and then I move them when I want to get the table cleaned up fast. But for some reason, I've been feeling a little lazy. And it's okay to lose interest on whatever you're doing, but just make sure you find a motivator or something that motivates you so you get back in it, because you don't want to stop doing what you love. And that's what I'm doing. I felt lazy, sometimes down, and here I put them on the floor too, just to get them off the table. Temporary. Put them temporary until you could find place to put them. I will pack them away soon, but for now I want to just put them there so I can clean off the table, take up the utensils. They get used a lot. Sometimes I change the silverware, but you know, regular ones. No, nothing too expensive. I usually pick them up at the thrift shop, so that I have plenty to use. And my gold and any colorful ones that you see, or tricolor ones, I usually get them at TJ Maxx. Or if it's Home Goods in your town, I got these placemats from HomeSense, and basically they have like a leaf pattern, and you could put another placemat under it, and it just gives you whatever color that it's under, that it's on top, or color that's under there. So that purple comes through really nice. So it's good to have different texture and different type. So you can change up your look. But by all means, what I try to do is, because if you follow to do these kind of things, you will go broke. Gotta tell you that. But I try to be budget friendly when doing my tablescapes, and I've been doing it for a while. Not only on YouTube, but just regular for years. I did it since, you know, we got the house. So maybe 14 years. So I have collected a lot of dishes and tablecloth and silverware, which now God is so good. He blessed me with a small storefront that I can sell them now. But you don't have to have a storefront to sell them back. You can put them online. You know, there's Poshmark. There's different platforms. Facebook Marketplace. Different platform. Social media platforms where you can sell them. Instagram. So that you don't have a collection like I do. I love collecting them. This is a salt and pepper shaker that I picked up at a thrift shop. And it's antique. It's gorgeous. They just look like, that's the pepper, and that's the salt. They have this distinctive look where, you know, it's something that you wouldn't probably find in a store nearby. So things like that is just good to pick up, to get that unique look, to get the texture, you know, and just something to build your table on. I mean, you can build it on that, and it's just gorgeous. And, you know, different candle holders, and I have a collection of them as well. These are crystal. And again, I picked these up at a thrift shop. And they're gorgeous, you know, and they go well with this party light vase that I picked up too at a thrift shop. And I just love this arrangement. It's gold leaves, hydrangea, dried hydrangea, which is falling all over the table, which is just lovely. And I did this so that I have two different sides to it. My hydrangea on this side is lilac color, that nice lilac color. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me take a, I don't think I highlight this on the Tablescape. And I'm not taking it apart yet. And the gold leaf, the different texture it gives, it's gorgeous. And I wanna just highlight the tablecloth that I did, because it's just wonderful, and it's not something that you would get out there. So this is a purple sequence material that covers a part of the table, and I just spread it just like so. on the table, right? And then I take a velvet lilac material. As you can see, it's I think it's half a yard, both of them, or a yard, I don't remember. And I added in the center, just like so. And then this top piece, I think this is 2 yards. And this gives it, when it covers part of it, it gives it that monochromatic look. If you see it down there, and then you go up here on top, I have something light and nice beneath it. So it just, it stays, it helps it to stay on the table. And then it just gives it this nice look. So you can do that. You can, you know, thrift material, all different colors, and basically put them together on your table, and they look like a tablecloth. And I love to do that. Unfortunately, I went to Joann Fabrics and I bought these because I was looking for something specific. You know, sometimes I pick up various colors and texture when I see them, but sometimes I'm looking for something specific. I go to the fabric store, and then basically I make my tablecloth. So right here I have 4 different pieces of material that make this tablecloth. And it's not sewing together, it's just joined by putting them on the table. So if you know how, you can just join any pieces of material, any color, whatever your color scheme is, and just do your thing and watch it works. So I have to get this out of here because I'm getting ready for the next tablescape. And it looks pretty up there. It looks very pretty up there. Good, good, good. All that. I'll put them somewhere soon, but that's how I do sometimes. I just put the dishes, stock them somewhere. I use the floor too a lot. And when I video next time, I won't video the floor or the server. I just do the table, and then another time I'll grab the server when it's cleaned off. So that's how you do it, and then you join the videos together. You don't have to do them one time or at the same time. So another thing is, I love these chair covers, and I get them on Amazon. And this velvet one, and I usually get velvet. I have gotten a different, just regular material, and it doesn't give you that luxurious look that at least I want, right? So my chairs are pretty heavy and big, and if you look, I have a box with dishes under the chair or the table. So what I do is I change my chair covers and I get back my regular chair. And that's how I like to do it. One day I'm gonna get them done in blue velvet, but for now I'm having fun because I found an inexpensive way to get the color that I want, which is really versatile. And that's how I do it. So stay tuned for my next Tablescape. Bye.